In this next trig topic, I'm going to talk about coterminal angles. Coterminal angles are basically as you go around in a circle, you keep hitting upon points. So you keep adding 360 or subtracting 360 from a given angle. Now, in parentheses, I have you're given a range. They'll tell you what your angle can be. So here, my range, it says for an angle where the angle is between 0 and 720 degrees. That would be my range. That means that my angle cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be greater than 720. So to determine all the coterminal angles, which means same position except I'm going around the circle more than one time, I have to add or either subtract 360 from it. So here, because it is between 0 and 720, more than likely I will have to add, and that's what I'm going to do. So in number 1, you're given that the angle is 70 degrees. So to find the coterminal angles, I first do 70 plus 360. All right, and that's equal to 420. Then I check. 420 is between 0 and 720, so I'm good. The next thing I see if I can get another angle. So I'm going to try to add 420 plus 360. This time, I'm getting that this is 780 degrees. Now, 780 degrees is outside of the range because it's larger than 720. So that would not be a coterminal angle in this range. So I can just cross that one out. And my answer would be 420. All right. For number 2, my angle is negative 300 degrees. So again, this is way less than 0. So that means I'm going to have to add 360 so I can at least get into the positive range. So I'm going to do negative 360. I'm sorry, positive 300, negative, let me start all over again. Negative 300 plus 360, and that is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees is within that range, so I'm good. So I'm going to check to see if I have some other coterminal angles. So this time I'm going to take that 60, and I'm going to add another 360 degrees. This time I get 420. 420 is within 0, between 0 and 720, so I'm good with that one. So now I'm going to check again. 420 plus 360. Well, again, this one is 780. And 780 is outside of my range, so I can't use that one. So my answers would be 60 and 420. So my angles of 60 degrees and 420 degrees are coterminal with negative 300 degrees, meaning they're all in the same position. All right, my last one is negative 35. So again, negative 35 degrees plus 360, that's equal to 325. And 325 is between 0 and 720. So then we'll try to see if I can get another angle there. So 325 plus 360, that's equal to 685. And 685 is within the range. So let me try again. So I do 685 plus 360. And that one is equal to 1045, which is outside of my range. So that would not be an angle with its coterminal, but it's not within the range that I want. So my answers for number 3 would be 325 degrees and 685 degrees. And that is all.